Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Akanksha and today we are diving into a question that sounds easy but actually opens up a whole new way of thinking. Will all events become eco-friendly in the future? Imagine attending a wedding with zero plastic, no food waste and everything powered by clean energy. Sounds amazing, right? But is this really where we are heading? Or is it just a perfect world idea? Let's explore this together. Now, let's talk about the present reality, not so green yet. Let's be honest for a moment. Most events today are still far from eco friendly. We have all been buffets overflowing with leftover food, plastic bottles scattered everywhere, and lights running non stop. Behind the scenes, it is often guesswork. Organizers estimating attendance, food, and resources without exact data. And when decisions are based on guesswork, waste becomes unavoidable. So, yes, sustainability is being talked about, but we are not fully there yet. Now, what is the challenge? Why change feels difficult? Now, you might wonder if sustainability is so important, why isn't everyone already doing it? The answer lies in a mix of challenges. Many people believe eco friendly events are expensive, especially at the start. There are also a lack of awareness. Organizers don't always know where to begin. On top of that, people naturally resist change because they are comfortable with existing systems. Even when there is willingness, finding the right vendors or solutions can be difficult. So, it is not about ignoring sustainability, it is about navigating these barriers. Now, what is the turning point? Technology steps in. This is where things start getting interesting. Technology, especially AI, is becoming a powerful solution to these problems. Imagine knowing exactly how many people will attend your event, preparing just the right amount of food, and adjusting energy usage automatically. No guesswork, no excess. AI can analyze data, predict behavior, and optimize resources in ways humans simply can't do manually. Suddenly, sustainability becomes not just possible, but practical. Now, what is the shift when people start expecting more? Something important is changing in the mindset of attendees and businesses. Earlier, sustainability was seen as a bonus feature. Now, it is becoming an expectation. People notice wasteful events. Sponsors prefer brands that care about the environment. Even governments are introducing regulations. This shift in expectations is pushing organizers to rethink their approach. It is no longer about should we go green, but can we afford not to? So the big question is here, will everything turn green? So now we come back to our main question. Will all events become eco-friendly? The honest answer is yes, but not instantly. Large-scale events are already adopting sustainable practices. Medium-sized events are catching up, while smaller ones may take more time due to limited resources. Think of it as a wave. It doesn't hit everywhere at once, but it keeps moving forward steadily. Change is happening just at different speeds. So now what about the future? A new normal for events. If we look ahead, the future of events looks exciting. Digital tickets will replace paper completely. Waste management systems will be smarter and renewable energy will become standard. AI will quietly manage operations in the background, ensuring efficiency without anyone even noticing. At that point, eco-friendly events won't feel special anymore. They will feel normal, and that is when real transformation happens. So, let's talk about the reality check now. Challenges will still exist. Of course, it is important to stay realistic. Some challenges will continue, especially for smaller events with tight budgets or limited access to sustainable options. There will always be a need for awareness, training, and infrastructure. But the good news is that as demand increases, solutions will become more accessible and affordable. What seems difficult today will likely become standard tomorrow. So, what is the core factor now? It is all about mindset. At the heart of this entire transformation lies one key factor: mindset. Technology can help, systems can improve, but real change happens when people truly believe in sustainability. If organizers and attendees treat it as a priority rather than an extra effort, the shift will happen much faster. The future of eco friendly events depends not just on innovation but on intention. So, will all events become eco friendly in the future? The answer is yes, but step by step. We are already moving in that direction, driven by technology, awareness, and business benefits. It may not happen overnight, but the progress is real and continuous. And if this momentum continues, eco friendly events won't just be the future, they will be the starter. Now it's your turn to think. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And here is something to think about. Do you believe 100% eco friendly events are truly possible? Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.